Hi, friend, and welcome. Welcome to Get to Steppin. My name's Kandy, and I just wanted to take a moment to introduce myself. I have a lot of titles, and one of them is I'm a woman of faith. I'm also a healing guide. I'm a mom. I'm a successful real estate entrepreneur on Florida's Sun Coast. And what's more important than that to me is I'm someone who knows what it feels like to lose everything and to rebuild it from the ground up. You see, my life's work sits at the intersection of emotional healing and bold new beginnings. Because I do believe pain can either paralyze us or propel us. And this channel and this mission is about helping you turn your pain into your power. For over a decade, I was a clinically trained grief and trauma counselor in practice, both in community mental health and in private practice. And my job was to help people navigate the hardest seasons of their lives. Well, today, I've brought that same heart into my real estate practice. I specialize in helping families who are selling homes after a death, divorce, or even a serious illness. That means I don't just handle transactions, I handle transitions with compassion and with clarity. Whether you're navigating probate, placing a loved one in an assisted living facility, or moving on after a marriage ends, I'm here to guide you with grace and with excellence every step of the way. And if you're someone relocating to Florida for a fresh start, I get it, because I did it too. I moved here to rebuild my life, and I've helped countless others do the same. So here's what I know. Unhealed emotional pain, it will show up in your business, in your relationships, and frankly, in your ability to move forward. And if you're a high-achieving woman trying to hold it all together, but feel stuck, exhausted, or kind of empty on the inside, let me tell you something, that's not failure. It is not. What you are experiencing is unaddressed grief, or what I like to call emotional pain. Through my resources, my videos, my guided healing experience journal, I help you name that pain. I help you heal it with intention and turn it into power. The whole reason of creating this platform and doing this work is to help you thrive in your purpose and create the life and business that you were made for. So whether you're selling a home, relocating, or simply ready to just do the deep work of healing, you don't have to do it alone. Start with any of my free ebooks, or dive deeper into the 30-day healing experience journal. And when you're ready to move forward in business, real estate, or in life, let's get to stepping together. Just visit the links below to learn more, and don't forget to subscribe for tools, truth, and most importantly, transformation.